Hi friends, welcome to Test Crackers for Careers. If you haven't subscribed the channel yet, please click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon next to it to receive updates on every video uploaded. Today, we are going to see how to find the sum of n consecutive natural, even and odd numbers. The sum of n consecutive natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Let's see an example. Let's find the sum of n consecutive natural numbers where n is equal to 50. We know that the sum of n consecutive natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2. Here n is equal to 50 and n plus 1 is equal to 51. So we get 50 into 51 divided by 2, which is equal to 1275. Let's see another example. Let's find the sum of the given series. We need to find the sum of natural numbers starting from 25 till 50. To find this, we need to find the sum of natural numbers from 1 to 50 and subtract the sum of natural numbers from 1 till 24, that is 1 less than 25. The sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 50 is given by 50 into 51 divided by 2, and the sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 24 is given by 24 into 25 divided by 2. Now we subtract the sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 24 from the sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 50, and we get 975. Let's find the sum of n natural numbers where n is equal to 100. Here n is equal to 100 and n plus 1 is 101. The sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 100 is given by 100 into 101 divided by 2, which is equal to 5050. Let's see another example. Here we need to find the sum of natural numbers starting from 15 till 80. The sum of n natural numbers where n is equal to 80 is given by 80 into 81 divided by 2, and the sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 14 is given by 14 into 15 divided by 2. Now we subtract the sum of n natural numbers where n is equal to 14 from the sum of natural numbers where n is equal to 80, and we get 3135. The sum of n consecutive even numbers is given by n into n plus 1. We can see that in the case of even series, the last digit is 2n. So to find n, we have to divide the last digit by 2. Let's see an example. Let's find the sum of even numbers starting from 2 till 50. We know that the sum of n consecutive even numbers is given by n into n plus 1. Here 2n is equal to 50. Therefore, n is equal to 25. The sum of the series is given by 25 into 26, which is equal to 650. Now, let's find the sum of the given series. Here, we need to find the sum of the even numbers starting from 32 till 50. To find this, we can find the sum of even numbers from 1 till 50 and subtract the sum of even numbers from 1 till 30, that is the even number before 32. So let's first find the sum of even numbers where 2n is equal to 50. Therefore, n is equal to 25. The sum is got by multiplying 25 into 26, which is equal to 650. Now, to find the sum of n even numbers where 2n is equal to 30, n is equal to 15. The sum of the numbers is given by 15 into 16, which is equal to 240. Now we have to subtract the sum of numbers where 2n is equal to 30 from the sum of even numbers where 2n is equal to 50. We get 410. Now let's see another example. Here we need to find the sum of even numbers starting from 62 till 150. To find this, we can find the sum of even numbers from 1 till 150 and subtract the sum of even numbers from 1 till 60. That is the even number before 62. To find the sum of even numbers where 2n is equal to 150, we have n is equal to 75. The sum of even numbers is given by 75 into 76, which is equal to 5700. For finding the sum of even numbers where 2n is equal to 60, we have n is equal to 30. So we get the sum by multiplying 30 into 31, which is equal to 930. Now we find the difference, which is equal to 4770. Now let's see how to find the sum of n consecutive odd numbers. The sum of n consecutive odd numbers is given by n square. Here the last digit of the series is 2n minus 1. Now let's find the sum of n consecutive odd numbers where 2n minus 1 is equal to 51. We know the sum of first n odd numbers is given by n square. Here 2n minus 1 is equal to 51. Therefore n is equal to 52 divided by 2, which is equal to 26. When finding n for an odd series, we have to add 1 to the last digit and divide by 2. We will get n. Here the sum of the series is given by n square, which is equal to 26 square, which is equal to 676. Let us find the sum of the series 31 plus 33 plus 35 plus 37 till 51. To find this, we need to find the sum of odd numbers from 31 till 51. To find this, we can find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 51 and subtract the sum of odd numbers from 1 till 29. That is the odd number before 31. To find the sum of odd numbers till 51, we have 2n minus 1 is equal to 51. Therefore, n is equal to 26 and n square is equal to 26 square, which is equal to 676. To find the sum of odd numbers where 2n minus 1 is equal to 29, we have n is equal to 15 and n square is equal to 15 square, which is equal to 225. Now we find the difference, and the sum of the given series is 451. Let's see another example. Here we have to find the sum of odd numbers from 51 till 101. To find this, We can find the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 101 and subtract the sum of odd numbers from 1 to 49. That is the odd number before 51. So we can directly find n by adding 1 to 101. We get 102 divided by 2, which is 51, and squaring 51 we get the sum of odd numbers till 101. Now to find the sum of odd numbers where 2n minus 1 is equal to 49, we have n is equal to 25. We can subtract 1 from 51, we get 50, and divide by 2, we will get n. Here n squared is equal to 625. Now finding the difference, we get 1976. Now let's find the sum of squares of n consecutive natural numbers. The sum of squares of n consecutive natural numbers is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Now let's see an example. Let's find the sum of the squares of natural numbers starting from 1 to 50. We know the sum of the series is given by n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. Here n is equal to 50 and n plus 1 is 51. 2n plus 1 is 101. We can just add 50 and 51. Now the sum of the series is got by multiplying 50 into 51 into 101 divided by 6, which is equal to 42925. Now let's see how to find the sum of the squares of n consecutive even numbers. The sum of the squares of n consecutive even numbers is given by 2 by 3 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1. Let's find the sum of the series 2 square plus 4 square plus 6 square till 30 square. The sum of the series is given by 2 into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 3. Since it's an even series, the last digit is equal to 2n, that is 2n is equal to 30 and n is equal to 15. n plus 1 is 16 and 2n plus 1, we add 15 and 16 and we get 31. Now the sum of the series is equal to 2 by 3 into 15 into 16 into 31, which is equal to 4960. Now let's find the sum of squares of n consecutive odd numbers. The sum of squares of n consecutive odd numbers is given by 1 by 3 into n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Now let's find the sum of the series 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square plus etc. till 49 square. We know that the sum of the series is given by 1 by 3 into n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1, which is also equal to n into 4n square minus 1 divided by 3. We have 2n minus 1 is equal to 49, therefore n is equal to 25 and 2n plus 1 is equal to 51, which is the number next to 49 in the given series. Now substituting in n into 4n square minus 1 divided by 3, we get 20825. We can also find the sum of the series by substituting in 1 by 3 into n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. That is 1 by 3 into 25 into 49 into 51, which is equal to 20825. Now let's see the formula for finding the sum of cubes of n consecutive natural numbers. The sum of the series is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Let's see an example. Let's find the sum of the series 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube till 10 cube. We know the sum of the series is given by n into n plus 1 divided by 2 the whole square. Here n is equal to 10 and n plus 1 is 11. The sum of the series is given by 10 into 11 divided by 2 the whole square, which is equal to 3025. Now let's see the formula for finding the sum of the cubes of consecutive odd numbers. The sum of the series is given by n squared into 2n squared minus 1. Let's see an example. Let's find the sum of the given series 1 cube plus 3 cube plus 5 cube plus etc. till 21 cube. The sum of the series is given by n squared into 2n squared minus 1. This series is an odd series. So 2n minus 1 is equal to 21 and n is equal to 11. The sum of the series is given by 11 squared into 2 into 11 squared minus 1, which is equal to 29161. Now let's see how to find the sum of cubes of consecutive even numbers. The sum of cubes of consecutive even numbers is given by 2n square into n plus 1 the whole square. Now let's see an example. Let's find the sum of the given series 2 cube plus 4 cube plus 6 cube plus etc. till 20 cube. We know that the sum of the series is given by 2n square into n plus 1 the whole square. Here n is equal to 20 divided by 2, which is 10. The sum of the series is given by 2 into 10 square into 11 square, which is equal to 24200. Hope you find this video useful. If so, please like, comment, share and subscribe. We will meet with new information. Thanks for watching.